Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. This is a Wreath channel. We are making a spring wreath today and we are working with this home sign. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming videos, and with that much thanks, let's get this rolling. Hello everybody. Today we are working with a 24-inch wired wreath. We are working with some of these greenery. We are also working with some of these beauties. Look at the beautiful little florals and some of these. We are also working with some peonies, so beautiful, which I purchased at Joann's. And we also got assorted little ones, peonies, and my favorite greenery, and like one lamb's ear. Some of these little white florals, if I could get them out of there. And these little baby breasts. Okay. With that said, let's get this rolling. Okay. First things first, I am going to put this greenery in here. Okay, we are doing half. Okay. So we're just going to put this in. There we go. How's everybody's day going? Hey, it's Friday here. Right, yay. Let's get that smile on. Yes, indeed. Okay. Gonna get this. We're gonna weave them in. Put some in, lift the other ones up, and to work with this wreath. This wreath is so much fun and easy to work with. So with all these wires, you know, just attach anything through there, you know. Just get creative and visualize, and we'll get this beauty going. Okay, here. Okay, wow, look at that. Okay, we're going to have a little bit hanging down. I think it was around here, huh? It's going to be a spectacular one. All the way to spectacular and beautiful. Let's see, let me get this one a little bit down. Okay, hey, I think we got it there. I think we got it, buddy. Okay, now we're going to work with these ones. These beauties. I purchased these at the other day with the Hobby Lobby. They have a $50, 50% off sale over there. Yes, they are. Okay, we got that. Trying to get unique, different plants, you know, different florals for you to make some beautiful, easy to make wreaths. So we'll be seeing a lot of different, beautiful little florals going on in here. Kind of just attach it little by little. Not too much where we stuffed up the greenery. Okay, now gonna work our way up here. Got this going. Got a little pinch at the bottom, it's right there. Okay, let's get this box over here. Get this rolling. Come on now. Okay, there. Put a little pinch in here, tiny bit. Cover it up. Good morning, Noel. Okay. Got this right here. Hey. Then we're going to work our way up here. Let's smooth this. You could bend these this way too. Get these all in here. Got this one going right here. Let's work our way, put these under. Remote controls on the couch. I'm just doing my YouTuber, Papa. Okay, well, we got this going right here. These in here. Beautiful. You could also work with some wiring to put these in, you know. Get this one. Oh my, look how beautiful. Get this in here. Let's fill it up and lift them up, and let me step back and visualize it. Look at what we're working with. Hey, beautiful as ever. Let me see. We're going to get some down in here. There we go. Ooh, just fill this up. So beautiful. Okay, we're going to work some, I think we're going to work some down right here. This going right here. And we're going to get one more up here, spectacular, poking out. There we go. Wow, look at that. Woo-hoo. Then we're going to get our beautiful peonies. We're just going to stick one in here, like that. And I think we're going to get another one right in here. See how easy and fun this is working with these beautiful florals. You got to balance your items out also now. That going right there. I think we're gonna move this guy down a little bit more to in here, and then we're going to get this guy right in here. Get that beautiful flower. Just see the color, how it just brightens this wreath up. Yes, indeed. Hope you guys are liking my ideas on crafts I am making. If you don't like this one, give a thumbs up and or leave a comment. And like I said, I enjoyed your guys' comments. Yes, I do. There we go. Look at this, everybody. Wow. Just looking at these flowers and everything, and just really hearing the sound is so much fun. It makes my day. It does. Woo! And we're going to get this larger one. And we're going to put it right here. Let's enough talking. Let's get this rolling. Then this, the little baby lambs, I think it is lambs. We're just going to put that in there and make it look more spectacular with the color, with the pink. Wow, check that out, everybody. This one, we're going to get some greenery. I think we're going to work this one in like this. Bend it down like that. Ooh, check that out. We're going to get some more up. No, that's a little too much. We're going to work this greenery in here with these guys. I've been working with these a lot. I got these from I think it was a part with some flowers. But you know, you could buy like bundles with flowers and the greenery. That's the good ones to buy because you could take them apart. You know, just cut them apart, you know, and just cut. Look for the ones that have a lot of on there. Then you could just use all them in different parts of different wreaths. Did that make sense? Wow, look at this. We got this going, everybody. Look at that. Woo. I think I'm going to get this here and right here. And I think we got this, everybody. Woo, we forgot one important thing. Hello. The remote controls on the couch in there, Papa. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. I'm done. Okay, Papa? Hang on. Here we go. And with that said, I think we got it, everybody. Go ahead, grab that. There it is. Let me flip this over and we got this, okay? Uh-oh, we forgot one baby breath right here. Right there, everybody. And there it is. Once again, thank you guys for coming to my channel. I hope you guys like this video. This came out pretty good, huh? Just visualize and be creative and step back and just have fun making your wreath, and you would come out with the beauty, you know. Look at these. Work with different varieties of colors. Let's get those bold, bright colors out this year. Just have fun making your wreath. And with that said, wow, look at that. Woo! Until the next video, everybody have a great, fun day. And thank you for viewing Caldera Creative Creations. Thank you. Wow, look at that. See ya.